Hi, Liam. Are you ready to go inside the library?
Yes, I'm ready. It looks very quiet today.
I like that. It's a good place to focus.
True. The building looks really nice this morning.
The sunlight makes it look warm and peaceful.
What do you want to find today?
Maybe a book about travel.
That sounds interesting.
And you? What are you looking for?
I want a book about history.
Good choice. They usually have a big history section.
Yes, I hope we find something useful.
Should we go to the front desk first?
Yes, we can ask for directions if we need help.
I like how quiet it is here.
Me too. It makes me feel relaxed.
The posters on the door look interesting.
Yes, maybe there are events we can join.
I would like that.
Do you have your notebook?
Yes, I want to write down some ideas.
Smart. I brought my backpack with me.
Good. You can carry books easily.
Are you ready to go inside?
Yes, let's open the door.
It feels cool inside.
Perfect for reading.
I like the smell of books.
Same. It feels cozy.
The entrance is very clean today.
The staff does a great job.
I see some new displays near the door.
Maybe we can check them later.
Good idea.
Let's walk to the front desk now.
Yes, we can start there.
I'm excited to see what we find today.
Me too. Let's go inside.
The front desk looks quiet today.
Yes, there's no line at all.
Maybe we can ask where the travel section is.
Good idea. I also want to find the history shelves.
The librarian isn't here right now.
Maybe they stepped away for a moment.
We can check the map on the wall.
Yes, that might help.
Look, it says travel books are on the left side.
And history books are on the right side.
Perfect. Now we know where to go.
I like how clear the signs are here.
It makes everything easy to find.
The computers on the desk look new.
Yes, very modern.
Should we write down the sections?
No need. I can remember them.
Great.
I like the wooden shelves behind the counter.
They look very organized.
Do you think we need a library card?
Maybe later, when we're ready to check out books.
Sounds good.
The reading area looks bright from here.
Yes, I see sunlight coming through the big windows.
The atmosphere is very calm.
Perfect for reading or studying.
I wonder if they have a quiet study room.
We can look for one after we find our books.
Good plan.
I think we should start with the bookshelves.
Yes, let's walk there now.
I want to browse slowly.
Same here. There might be many good choices.
The library is bigger than I expected.
Yes, it has many different sections.
Let's head to the shelves.
Right? This way?
I'm excited to look at the books.
Me too. Let's go explore.
Wow, there are so many books here.
Yes, the shelves go all the way to the back.
I see the travel row on the left.
And the history row must be close by.
Let's look at the travel books first.
Sure. I'm curious about destinations.
This book has photos of beaches.
That looks relaxing.
Do you like mountains or oceans more?
I prefer mountains, they feel peaceful.
I like warm places, so beaches are my favorite.
Maybe we can read about both.
Good idea.
Here's a guide about European cities.
Let me see. Oh, it has nice maps.
Maps help me understand places better.
I enjoy short descriptions and pictures.
Let's check the history section now.
Yes, it should be just around the corner.
Look, the shelves are grouped by time periods.
That makes it simple to choose.
I found a book about ancient cultures.
The cover looks interesting.
There's also a book about early inventions.
Oh, I might read that one.
I like how quiet it is here.
Yes, everyone is reading silently.
I think I want to borrow 2 books today.
I might take one travel guide.
Do you want help choosing?
Maybe later. I want to look a little longer.
Sure, take your time.
These shelves are very tall.
Yes, but everything is arranged neatly.
I found another book with nice illustrations.
Great! Maybe that one is good for the weekend.
Let's move to the reading area soon.
Yes, we can sit down and look through our books.
Okay, let's go.
Right behind you.
This table is perfect for reading.
Yes, it has plenty of space for our books.
I like the sunlight coming through the windows.
It makes reading easier.
I'll open my travel book first.
I'll start with the history book I picked.
There's a small plant on the table.
It looks nice and fresh.
I like the quiet atmosphere here.
It's very peaceful.
The chairs are comfortable to sit on.
I can stay here for a long time.
I see some people reading silently nearby.
Everyone seems focused.
I want to take notes in my notebook.
I'll underline important parts in my book.
The table is clean and organized.
Yes, there's enough room for both of us.
I like the quiet sounds of pages turning.
It feels very relaxing.
This corner of the library is my favorite.
Mine too. It's very cozy.
I want to finish reading one chapter today.
Me too.
I can sit by the window and enjoy the view.
I'll stay closer to the lamp for a better light.
The bookshelves behind us are full of new books.
Maybe we can explore them later.
I like that the library is so organized.
Yes, it's easy to find what we need.
I'll start with this travel guide.
And I'll read the first chapter of this history book.
The table is big enough for our drinks, too.
Good point. I'll put my coffee here.
It feels comfortable to study here.
Very much so.
I want to take a few notes before we move.
I can do the same.
I like the calm lighting in this area.
It makes reading easier on the eyes.
Shall we stay here for a little while?
Yes, we have time to enjoy our books.
Look at all these computers.
They look new and modern.
I wonder if we can use one for research.
Yes, it should be available.
The chairs look comfortable too.
Good. We can sit for a while.
Should we check the internet connection first?
Yes, that's a good idea.
I want to search for more travel guides online.
I'll look up history articles.
The desks have small lamps.
That will help if the light is dim.
I like the quiet atmosphere here too.
It's perfect for focused work.
There's a printer near the wall.
We can print our notes if we need.
I see some people typing quickly.
Everyone seems very busy.
I like that the computers are spaced out.
Yes, we won't disturb each other.
Should we log in to our accounts?
Yes, I have my library account ready.
That will make searching easier.
I like the organized layout of this area.
It's easy to find a free computer.
I'll start typing some keywords.
I'll take notes on the screen.
The monitors are very clear.
That helps a lot with reading online text.
There's a small shelf nearby for bags.
Good, we can keep our backpacks there.
I see some reference books near the computers.
Maybe we can check them later.
I like the quiet tapping of keyboards.
It feels like a productive place.
I can finish some research quickly here.
I want to compare a few online guides.
That's smart.
Let's check one more website.
Sure, I'm almost done with my search.
I'm happy we found this area.
Yes, it's very useful.
We finished our visit.
Yes, it was a productive afternoon.
I have a few books to borrow.
Me too. I'll carry them carefully.
Did you find everything you wanted?
Yes, I'm happy with my selections.
The library was very quiet today.
That helped me focus a lot.
I like the sunlight coming through the windows.
It made the library feel bright and warm.
I want to read one of these books tonight.
Me too. I'm curious about my new history book.
The return box looks empty.
Good. We can borrow without waiting.
I like the posters near the exit.
They show upcoming events.
Maybe we can join a reading club next time.
That would be fun.
I like how organized the books are.
It makes finding them simple.
I'll carry my notebook too.
And I'll keep my backpack on my shoulder.
The staff was helpful today.
Yes, very friendly.
I feel satisfied with our library visit.
Me too.
Shall we walk outside now?
Yes, the weather is nice.
I like the calm feeling before leaving.
It's peaceful and relaxing.
I hope to come back soon.
Me too. Maybe tomorrow or next week.
I'll start reading my book right away.
I'll read mine after a cup of tea.
I'm glad we visited together.
Me too. It was fun.
Let's make a list of other books we want next time.
Great idea.
I like that the library has computers too.
Yes, it helped us research more efficiently.
Now we can enjoy our books at home.
Exactly. It was a very good day.